caught.
Little bird.
Eric caught a little bird.
Trained killer. Watch him bite. Don't you bite my fucking thing so it bursts that little swollen thing there. He's a little
Smile,
pissed
little guy.
He's a little pissed off. I think I'll record him too. Record my video for. Yeah, he's a trained killer. Don't let it fool you.
Sleepy.
Yeah, he is. I think I don't know who's tired more, me or him.
Yeah,
I saw him running around, and I was talking to that guy about diving.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck is that? It's like I got a light on mine. Look at that.
Yeah, I can turn the light on too.
Oh.
You got mine shut off.
Anyway, it's an eagle.
Yeah.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle.
There you go. Look at that. Want to see if he flies?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, let me turn this.
I wouldn't throw him, just set him down.
Oops. Ready? Okay, bird. Push it. Fuck you up. Oh, man. Shit.
What happened? You hurt his leg?
I don't think so.
Come on.
Let's
go.
Fly? Go. There we go.
There, he's happy.
Cool. That's in there.